Welcome to Autos Play, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the modern modified 1970 GMC Jimmy, a classic SUV that seamlessly blends vintage charm with modern performance and design enhancements. At the front, the Jimmy makes a bold statement with a custom mesh grille that integrates seamlessly with round LED headlights featuring built-in daytime running lights. The front bumper has been reworked with larger air intakes, improving cooling efficiency while adding to the truck's rugged stance. A sculpted hood with subtle contours enhances its muscular appeal, while chrome accents on the grille and bumper preserve the classic GMC identity with a modern touch. From the side, the Jimmy retains its iconic boxy silhouette, exuding strength and capability. Crisp body lines emphasize its vintage yet powerful look, while custom 18-inch off-road alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires provide both style and performance. A lifted suspension ensures better ground clearance for off-road adventures, while chrome door handles, a roll bar, and removable hardtop options add versatility without compromising its heritage-inspired aesthetic. At the rear, modernized elements continue to shine. A sleek LED taillight strip stretches across the tailgate, offering a contemporary visual signature. The redesigned rear bumper features integrated tow hooks and a sporty skid plate, reinforcing the SUV's off-road credentials. Dual exhaust tips with a chrome finish deliver a deep, aggressive sound, while a high-mounted stop lamp and a subtle rear spoiler contribute to aerodynamics and an unmistakable presence on the road. Inside, the cabin merges vintage craftsmanship with modern technology. Premium leather upholstery with contrast stitching creates a luxurious feel, complemented by a floating 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital instrument cluster replaces traditional gauges, while ambient lighting, heated and ventilated front seats, and a flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated controls enhance driver comfort and convenience. Under the hood, the 1970 GMC Jimmy receives a modern powertrain upgrade. A powerful 6.2 litres LS3 V8 engine delivers an impressive 430 horsepower and 425 pounds-to-feet of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. A custom-tuned suspension and advanced four-wheel drive system improve off-road performance while ensuring a smooth and controlled ride on highways. For more exciting automotive updates, don't forget to subscribe to Autos Play.